Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Dodge Charger headlights. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Before starting any work, always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the battery is safely disconnected. Finally, park your charger on a level surface and engage the parking brake to prevent any movement during the process. Next, we'll tackle the front bumper. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws located along the top of the bumper and inside the wheel wells. Then, get underneath to detach the fasteners securing the bumper to the under tray. With all fasteners removed, carefully unseat the bumper cover. Remember to disconnect any fog light harnesses if your vehicle is equipped with them, allowing the bumper to be fully removed. Now, with the bumper out of the way, you can access the headlight assemblies. Use an 8mm wrench to remove the bolts holding the old headlight in place. Carefully disconnect all electrical harnesses, including those for the high beam, low beam, and turn signals. Then, position your new headlight assembly, reconnect all the electrical harnesses, and secure it with the 8mm bolts, ensuring a snug fit. To finish up, carefully reattach the front bumper cover, making sure all clips and bolts are securely fastened. Once the bumper is back in place, reconnect your vehicle's battery. Turn on your charger and test the new headlights to ensure they are functioning correctly. For an amazing audio experience, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.